Many business leaders are always on the lookout for ways to get more done faster in the weeks and months ahead. The truth is, your productivity naturally ebbs and flows throughout the day and week. But by intentionally shaping your daily habits, you can become more efficient and effective without working harder. The good news, boosting your productivity doesn't require a complete overhaul of how you work. By creating small, manageable habits that fit seamlessly into your routine, you can tackle tasks more efficiently, reduce stress, and avoid ending the day with an endless to-do list. These productivity hacks will show you how to work smarter, not harder, and make your day feel a whole lot easier. Rising to Be, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/rising to be, or become a channel member for exclusive videos and more. Visit risingtobe.com for all your planner and stationery needs. Only at risingtobe.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 1. Prioritize tasks using this method. Leaders often end up with long to-do lists and struggle to figure out what to tackle first. One effective solution is the classic Eisenhower matrix, also known as the urgent important matrix. This tool helps you to categorize tasks as urgent, not urgent, important, or not important, making it easier to decide what to focus on, what to delegate, and also what can potentially be eliminated. By using this method, you ensure your time is spent on high-impact activities that truly move your goals forward. Tip 2. Practice the bird's eye view approach. Stepping back to take a bird's eye view of your business plans for the coming weeks and months allows you to see the bigger picture. This high-level perspective helps leaders anticipate upcoming challenges, aligns priorities, and ensure that key milestones and deadlines are met. By regularly zooming out, you can make more strategic decisions, prevent bottlenecks, and keep your team focused on the most impactful work. By regularly practicing the bird's eye view approach, it can also help to identify gaps or overlaps in your plans that might not be obvious when you're caught up in the daily tasks. It encourages problem solving, allowing you to adjust timelines, redistribute resources, or shift priorities before small issues become major obstacles. Over time, this habit not only improves overall efficiency, but also strengthens your strategic thinking as a leader, making it easier to guide your team toward long-term success. Tip 3. Assess which tasks you can delegate. Many leaders fall into the trap of trying to do everything themselves, overloading their schedules and limiting their effectiveness. One of the most powerful ways to increase productivity and help your team grow is to delegate tasks to the right people. According to Gallup, leaders who delegate effectively can drive stronger business growth than those who get bogged down in small day-to-day tasks. You don't have to do it all. Start identifying which team members have the capacity and skills to take on additional responsibilities and empower them to succeed. Tip 4. Activate the 2-minute rule. If a small task on your to-do list can be completed in 2 minutes or less, tackle it immediately. Don't overthink it or clutter your priority system with it. Just do it. By knocking out these tasks right away, you clear your mind and prevent minor items from piling up. This concept, popularized by David Allen, getting things done, helps to maintain momentum and keeps your workflow running smoothly. The beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it prevents small tasks from piling up and creating unnecessary mental clutter. Completing quick actions immediately frees up mental space for more important, time-consuming projects. Over time, consistently applying this rule can significantly reduce procrastination and keep your workflow smooth, making your day feel more productive and less overwhelming. Tip 5. Use efficient communication methods. Meetings are often a hidden drain on productivity. Harvard Business Review reports that 92% of employees find meetings costly and unproductive. Before scheduling a meeting, ask yourself, could this 1-hour session be cut to 30 minutes only? Could a 30-minute meeting be replaced with a quick phone call? Could even that call be handled with a concise email? Choosing the most efficient communication method not only saves time, but also gives both leaders and team members more space to focus on meaningful work. Tip 6. Dedicate specific distraction time. Leaders have responsibilities beyond work, family, hobbies, and social commitments. Occasionally, these non-work matters can pull your attention away from important tasks. One way to manage this is by scheduling a dedicated distraction time during your day to address personal or non-urgent issues. When your brain knows there's a set time to handle these matters, it frees up mental bandwidth, allowing you to stay focused and fully engaged with your work priorities. By intentionally carving out this time, you also reduce the guilt or stress of addressing personal matters during the workday. Knowing there's a specific window for distractions helps you maintain discipline during work hours, while still honoring your personal life and responsibilities. This balance boosts overall productivity and well-being. Tip 7. Don't procrastinate the challenging tasks. Leaders often delay tackling their most difficult or even least enjoyable tasks, especially those they've decided not to delegate. Putting them off can create mental clutter and even drain your energy. The solution is quite simple. Block off dedicated time in your schedule to focus solely on those challenging tasks and commit to completing them during that window. Once you knock out these tough items, you'll notice a sense of relief and momentum. Completing the hardest work first not only lightens your mental load, but also makes the rest of your day feel more manageable and productive. This approach reinforces discipline and builds confidence in handling complex responsibilities. Tip 8. Remember, you need sleep and rest. Many leaders sacrifice sleep during busy or even stressful periods, thinking they can push through on limited rest. However, inadequate sleep and late nights can leave you feeling drained, unfocused, and even less productive on the next day. Prioritizing rest isn't a luxury, it's essential for peak performance. Getting enough sleep and taking intentional breaks supports your attention, focus, and even your creativity. By valuing rest as much as work, you set yourself up to lead more effectively, make better decisions, and maintain consistent energy throughout the day. Your productivity and well-being truly depends on it. In addition to nightly sleep, consider incorporating short restorative breaks throughout your day. Even 5 to 10 minutes of stepping away from your workspace, stretching, or even practicing mindful breathing can recharge your brain and reduce mental fatigue. These mini rest periods not only improve focus and decision making, but also help prevent burnout, allowing you to maintain sustainable productivity over the long term. Tip 9. Know when to say no. As a leader, understanding your priorities is crucial for maintaining productivity. You need clarity on what truly matters so that your time and energy are aligned with your goals. When tasks or requests come your way that don't fit your priorities, it's okay to say no or offer a strategic alternative. Like, not now, check back in a few days so I can give it my full attention. Setting these boundaries ensures you stay focused on what moves the needle and prevents your schedule from being overwhelmed by low impact work. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now, let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. Tip 1, prioritize your tasks. Tip 2, practice the bird's eye view approach. Tip 3, assess which tasks you could delegate. Tip 4, activate the 2-minute rule. Tip 5, use efficient communication methods. Tip 6, dedicate specific distraction time. Tip 7, don't procrastinate the challenging tasks. Tip 8, remember you need sleep and rest. Tip 9, know when to say no. I would rather die of passion than of boredom. Vincent van Gogh. As a leader, the way you approach productivity doesn't just affect your own output. It sets the tone for your entire team. By weaving these productivity hacks into your daily routine, you not only enhance your performance, but also model effective work habits that inspire and elevate those around you. When your team sees a leader who can prioritize focus, delegation, and balance, it encourages a culture of efficiency, availability, and of course, well-being. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what truly matters with intention and, of course, clarity. Start integrating these strategies today and watch how small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements for both you and your team. I just want to take a quick moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/risingtobe or become a channel member today. Thanks again for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or in your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode.